My name is Doug Guderian, and I work for Elevator One, and I lead an excellent maintenance team that provides elevator maintenance services, and we are the best in Ontario. Two of the ways that we make an impact is by giving our people the satisfaction of doing a job excellently, and by giving our customers very reliable elevator service. The Sandbox Center helps our team in sharing best practices with other industry peers, and it's also an awful lot of fun relating and interacting with your peers in this environment. If you see me at the Sandbox Center, ask me about some fun elevator stories or about the local mountain bike trails. I love to get out of them and get muddy.